Wait. This is so cute. Do you guys know how natural this looks? Like, look at this. Even if you pull it up, it looks natural. This is so cute. Do you guys know how natural this looks? Like, look at this. Even if you pull it up, it looks natural. Like, I wish I could show you the back. But right now I'm feeling this hairstyle. Like, this is so beautiful. It's super natural, it's super light. My hair, my scalp is breathable. Like, I can literally feel the braids underneath, and it's so worth it. You can either sew this in or bobby pin it. I honestly probably am going to keep the bobby pins in because it's like, it's not too much stress on my hair. I feel like sewing the hair will cause too much friction, too much breakage. I don't know. I just feel like the bobby pins secures it the best because not only I could just take them out and pull my wig off, it is more healthier and less stress on my scalp. So this is definitely going to be one of the wigs that I'm selling. I knew the moment I started installing the hair in, kind of like how I'm doing this one, I just knew this hair was going to be, or this wig was just going to be the one. Like, I knew it. I knew it was going to be me. I knew that it was going to be just magical. I'm just really, really shocked of how beautiful this is. And I know a lot of people will love it too, so stay tuned. I plan on launching my website sometime in February, and I'm gonna have a lot of these wigs ready for you guys for purchase. And also the oil that I was using is a growth oil. It's called Gold Milk. It is made by me. It is a growth serum, and applying it to your scalp at least once a week is good enough. And honestly, I really love that growth oil. Only because it smells really good. It doesn't have any type of weird preservatives in it. I don't really think you really need preservatives for oil, but either way it go, I love it. It grows my hair. It's growing my hair. It grows my clients' hair. I put it in all my clients. And I'm just super excited about this, honestly. So stay tuned for the rest of what I have coming. I'm probably going to do a video of me installing this wig, and this is probably going to be my second favorite wig next to this one, but we'll see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please comment, like, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe if you will. It's really up to you. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.